Okay, so this is our evening cat feeding routine. Cat drawer right here, little probiotics. Here I've got Chloe's and JoJo's. We're gonna do one at a time. Chloe starts with a little cat CBD thing that we pull one out. And what I do is just kind of get it all crushed up and chopped up because we're gonna mix this in with her food. Chloe gets half a can of Tiki Cat. Put this all in. Chloe also gets a Cosequin. Put that on top. And she also gets one of the prebiotics.
Probiotics.
Our probiotics. Works the same, you just open it up and put it on top. And then we just mix all of that together, including that stuff on the bottom that I kind of just like scoop all around and get mixed in. Perfect. Okay, that's Chloe. Joe gets one of these small cans, the Hills. Get a fresh spoon for her. Joe gets one of the probiotics on top. And then 2 drops of this rescue remedy. Nice for stress. 1, 2. And I just mix this one all up. She knows what's happening. She's excited. They love their food time. Okay. Then we feed them separately. That way they don't eat each other's foods.
And we don't leave stuff in the sink that they will drink.
All right, we'll wash that up and drain it. So, Chloe, Joe, just walk them over. Very excited. Chloe eats right there, and Joe right here. And then we just close the door.
Dryer's on, but
Eat their food. And that's dinner feeding.